Welcome back to Nikki's Kitchen. I got myself this new gem, this Ninja gem. It's a speedy, and yeah, we already have the measurements here, like 42 centimeters, 42 times 40. So it's pretty a box. But what surprised me is like it's made in China. I thought it was from America, but hey, so let's open it. I can't really wait. Um, it seems as if it's the device I've been waiting for because it's double packed, okay, and already it's a rapid cooking system. Everything speed, everything rapid. I'm down for it. So, ah, where are the helping hands when we need them? There you go. Woo! So like it's a box in the box. I think this should go if you like wrap it in plastic, but that's just me. I don't mind if my neighbor know what I'm buying, as long as we are saving the planet in a way. So yeah, it's kind of a steamy. It's in German, like I live in Germany. Okay, good. Heiß Luft frittieren. Okay, like I love the combination of steaming and cooking. Like steaming and air frying at the end. I kind of feel like yeah, and it's a pressure cooker as well, which I'm like, woo. Like you have your air fryer, your crockpot, your everything in there. Like, who doesn't want to get inside there? 5 points. Whoa. Okay. Up to 4 portions. 5.7 liters. That's a lot, even for my family. Like we are good eaters, and we are 2.5 of us. Okay, what do you get? A lot of paper. I don't read that notices. Like I'm sorry, but okay. Let's look. Speedy Ninja. Bitte lesen Sie die You should read it. So pause and read, cause Nikki and chicken Alfredo. Oh yummy, yummy, yummy. 5.7 liters. That's a lot. Okay, this combination of meals. You can go online. Like I'm a free cooker. I'm a creative cooker, but in case of any incasity, they have your back. Oh, this looks yummy. Oh, even this one. Burrito. Italian, Mediterranean, Buddha bowls. Like maybe when I'm done with my creativity, you see, tack, you put here, you put your chicken on top, switch over to, and voila. Like it's a one pot, the kind of I like the kind of one pot I like you have the roasted part, the steamed part, and your vegetable. If you want to steam them, you put them with your grains. If you want to grill them, you put them with your chicken, and like you're good to go. You see, yeah. I was just like, I said I'm not going to buy any device anymore. Chicken Alfredo. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Ricotta fricadelle, zucchini, tomato. Oh, like, woo! Sausages and rotkohl. This is a German thing we can do. Like, rotkohl and bratwurst. I'm down for it. um, Salmon, green beans, and some rice or cauliflower rice or couscous or attiéké. Like, you can get creative with that. Tack, oh la la, oh la la. Like, and then you have this one which is either the warranty or the user manual. But I've watched a lot of videos. Kind of feel it should be intuitive. Like I'm a Ninja fan already, so it should be intuitive. If not, you have it. So wire packages. I think now I also hold on. Ah! Ta-da! That's a lot of cartonage. So, okay. Let's come closer and go downwards. Like we are doing some transformation in the kitchen. That's why my countertop just looks like that. So, oh, like it's I kind of see already like a pressure cooker, or rice cooker kind of recipient over here. So let's remove. That's nice. Like it really goes under my ventilator kitchen fan here, and I can just stuff it in there. So this was our like rapid cooking system. That's what we want. Let's see if we can zoom in. Yep. So it's a rapid cooking system, and this one you have to scan it. This is what I was like, how is that possible to be doing a rapid cooker and air frying? Like you decide, it's kind of, you can steam everything in there. I was just like, I'm down for it. Oh, it still goes. This is the 5.7 liter at a whole. That looks real quality in there. Like, uh-huh. I was wondering about this. Okay, this is how it looks. It has a kind of hole in there, like maybe silicone or whatsoever. Should I remove these ones? I don't know. This is where you have to read the notice. No, it should stay there. I think it should stay there, just to have a break when you put it in there. And my first complaint is they should have something like a tongue or something to grab it, like they can manufacture it. But this looks great. Like this heat part when it's hot, when it's cooked or when it's warm, I'm kind of anyway. So it goes in like this, and you have your grains in there. Look, like you can have your we eat a lot of oat milk, oats rice, or we cook a lot of oat. Like this amount is okay. Like let me show you the pot I use to cook my rice. I have it right here, and I cook my rice before the night, like one day before, because of the how is it called, the starch, the better starch. Like it's really this amount that we cook. This is already too much because I didn't measure it, but this is what we will cook for dinner and how is it called, um break, like afternoon food for our toddler. But like I can't wait. This should go for our family. Like I think if you have like good eaters, shouldn't work. Tack goes in there, and as always in Ninja or everything, you have a heating fan up there. So I'm going to do a first cleaning, which is just put in water, a little bit of lime, a little bit of bicarbonate, and just let it, all these manufacturer chemicals go away. It comes from China. Never forget that. So yeah, can't wait. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and bye.